Hello, today we will guide you through This is Why You Need Axiom Now. In this walkthrough, we're going to move through several of Axiom's main sections so you can quickly understand the breadth of the platform and how its tools are organized. This is a simple guided tour, and the goal is to help you become familiar with the layout so you can navigate confidently. To begin, open Axiom and go to the Discover page. This is a helpful starting point because it introduces you to the broader ecosystem inside the platform. If you're new to Axiom, this area gives you a good sense of what's available and where different tools live. Once you're there, click on Discover. This section is designed to surface opportunities, trends, and useful information in one place. It's often the first stop for users who want a high-level overview before diving deeper into more specialized features. Next, click on Pulse. Pulse is where the platform starts to feel more dynamic. This area is geared toward monitoring movement and activity, making it useful when you want a faster read on what's happening across the market. As you move through these tabs, notice how each one builds on the last and reveals another layer of functionality. From Pulse, click on Trackers. Trackers helps organize market activity in a more focused way, allowing you to follow specific signals and patterns. This can be especially useful when you want to move beyond general discovery and start paying attention to more targeted data. After that, click on Perpetuals. This section highlights another important part of the Axiom experience. Even if you're just exploring, it's worth noting how Axiom brings different trading-related tools into one interface, which can make your workflow much more efficient. Then, click on Predictions. This area is useful for seeing forward-looking insights and perspectives inside the platform. As you explore, take a moment to observe how the navigation remains consistent, making it easier to move between tools without getting lost. Next, click on Vision. Vision suggests a more analytical or strategic view, and it continues the progression from discovery into deeper insight. This is one of the reasons a guided pass through the platform is so valuable. You can see how each section supports a different stage of decision-making. From there, click on Portfolio. This is where things become more personal, since portfolio-related views help you keep track of your positions and overall activity in one place. It's an important section for staying organized. Finally, click on Rewards. This is a great last stop because it rounds out the tour by showing that Axiom isn't just about tracking and analysis, but also about the broader user experience and incentives available within the platform. That's it for this walkthrough. You've now seen a clear path through Discover, Pulse, Trackers, Perpetuals, Predictions, Vision, Portfolio, and Rewards, giving you a strong overview of why Axiom is worth exploring now.